In this video, we'll learn how to use Loocey's advanced related data search features on the bidding board. This feature is very useful when you want to search and find items by part number, supplier, or even by supplier quote request status. Let's get started. Let's say you bid on something and forgot which RFQ you put it in. This process is very easy with Loocey's new advanced search filters. Go to the bidding board. Let's open the Filters dialog and go to Related Data Filters tab. Click on Add Filter and from Related Data List drop-down, select Supplier Quotes. We need to choose relationship that best matches with our query in this case. Then for the column, select Part Number. For condition, we can leave equal and enter the part number. We can also change condition to contains in case you forgot the full part number. For now, let's leave it equal and hit Apply. And if we open the RFQ in Detail View, you should see the part number we entered in the Supplier Quotes table. That's it for today. Be sure to subscribe to our channel to be notified when we release new tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you next time.